Hi learners, very good morning. Welcome to Unified Study. This is Tulasi doing the most expected topics for the UGC NET examinations on mathematical reasoning. This week we are completely doing on mathematical reasoning, and today's class is going to be on boats and streams. Yes, ready? Radha ma'am, Pushpa ma'am, Jatish ji, Vaidishwari, Sharavati, Mohana. Very good morning. Very good morning everyone. Today it's going to be on boats and streams. In the before class also we did part 1 of boats and streams with all formulas. Those who have missed the class, please kindly do watch that video also. And today we will be doing the another variety of questions from boats and streams. I will also start with the formula and the homework question. I gave you the homework question for the previous session. Many of you have answered. We will also solve this problem. Before solving that problem, I just want to brush up you with the formulas that we use for boats and streams. Okay, so right, for boats and streams, what are the formulas you have to remember? The very first one is the speed formula, right? What is that? The speed is equal to distance divided by time. This formula we have to be clear, because with these also we have many problems. The speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay. And if you take boats and streams, when a boat is being sailing through a river, okay, whenever we have sailing through the river, what will be the speed of that stream and what will be the speed of the boat? These are all the parameters we have to know. If the speed of the boat in still water, the water is not moving but the boat is moving, means that speed will be u kilometer per hour. And the speed of the stream, means the water flow, right? The speed of the stream be v. At that time, what is the speed of the downstream? Downstream means moving along with the flow of the water. Along with the flow of the water, the speed will be u plus v kilometer per hour. For a simple understanding, whenever we flow along with the flow of the water, means we can travel in a speed, right, with a greater speed, so that we can cover a longer distance. That is a simple understanding. Upstream means what? I am flowing against the water flow. At that time, what will happen? Compared to this one, I can cover the distance lesser than the downstream, because as I am flowing against the water flow, so I have to take more pressure, the time will be more, and the distance will be covered less with compared to the speed of the downstream. That is simple understanding that you need to have. That's why here we have added and here we have subtracted from the speed of the boat and speed of the current, right? Here we have added because as I am going along with the flow of the water. And if we know the speed, downstream speed and the upstream speed, means the speed in the still water. What is the speed of the boat in the still water is 1 by 2 a plus b. What is this a and what is this b? Speed of the downstream and speed of the upstream. Then similarly, the speed of the stream means what we have to do? 1 by 2 we have to subtract a minus b. These are the 4 important formulas. With this we can easily able to solve the problems, right? So you should know speed of the boat, speed of the still water, speed of the stream, downstream, upstream. Only 4 formulas. Now shall we start doing? Yes, another set of question. Here this is the homework question which I gave you yesterday. Many of you have answered. Happy for you. Those who have not answered, those who are not able to do it, I will solve this problem for you. Here the speed of the boat in still water, that is u, right? We have done na. See here, the speed of the boat in still water is said to be u. That is equal to 10 km per hour. It is given. If it can travel 26 km downstream and 14 km upstream in the same time, and we don't know the speed of the stream, that is what being asked here. We don't know the speed of the stream, that we have to calculate. And here what are the other terms given? The distance covered through the downstream. Distance covered through the downstream is 26 km and the distance covered through the upstream is equal to 14 km. And what remains the same? The time remains the same for both the things. As we all know the formula, that speed is equal to what? Distance divided by time. This formula we know. Here what happens? The time remains the same. So the time is equal to the distance covered by the downstream divided by the speed covered by the downstream. That we can have, right? Yes. The same time, for the upstream, we have a distance covered by the upstream and the speed covered by the upstream. So okay, what is the speed covered by the downstream? That is equal to u plus v, right? U plus v. Similarly, here also we have upstream divided by u plus v. We know the value of u, that is 10 km per hour, and we don't know, we have to calculate. Am I right? So with this, we will start doing it. I'll just remove that one. Yes. So now what I can calculate, I am going to substitute the values and I am going to place it here. So what is the distance covered during the downstream? That is 26 km. What is u plus v with respect to downstream? That is 10 plus v. And what about the upstream? Upstream it is 14 km divided by 10 minus v. Okay, this is about this time, right? Both the time are said to be equal, so that I can equate this. Now simple, we have to do the cross multiplication. That is 26 minus 10v, that is equal to 14 into 10 plus v. So that is equal to, I'll place my image over here. So here it is 260 minus 26v, that is equal to, yes, 140 plus 14v. See it, we can rearrange it, and then we can have 26v plus 14v, that is equal to, because when it goes on this side, right, this minus become plus. So 26v plus 14v, and again this 140 comes over here, and 26 minus 140, so that is equal to, here it comes 40v, here it becomes 120. So v is equal to 120 divided by 40, 0 0 cancel, it is 3. So what is the speed of the stream? That is equal to 3. Am I clear? Am I clear? So the speed of the stream is equal to 3 km per hour. You got the answer, learners? Please let me know. Yes or no? Yes? Learners, these are compulsory topics that we are getting from the examination. So V is equal to 3, option 3 is the right answer. Next question on board. Next question on board. Just you have to write it down in your notebook, all the 4 formulas. What are the formulas? Speed of the downstream is equal to u plus v. Speed of the upstream is equal to u minus v. Speed of the still water is equal to 1 by 2. You can have x plus v, right? Okay, this is not x plus v. We can have it as speed of the downstream plus the speed of the upstream. Am I right? Similarly, speed of the stream is equal to 1 by 2 speed of downstream minus the speed of upstream. Clear? This 4 formulas we can do it all. And one more formula is speed is equal to distance divided by 10. This formulas you have to write it down for boats and streams. Next problem. Come on, do it. Next problem, come on, do it. The boat goes 20 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 8 hours. Okay? 20 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 8 hours. Yes, clear. In 5 hours. Similarly, 15 km upstream and 22 km downstream in 5 hours. 2 cases has been given. Now what we have to determine? We have to determine the speed of the boat in the still water. We got the question. Shall we start doing? Yes, come on. I have just made it short. So come on, let's start doing this problem. Here we have 2 cases. Case 1 and then we have a case 2. What is the case 1 here? See what are given. Distance covered by upstream is equal to 20 km. distance covered by downstream is equal to 44 kilometer, right? And the time taken is 8 hours. This is in the case 1. Similarly, in a case 2, what we have done, distance covered by the upstream is equal to 15 kilometer and distance covered by downstream is equal to 22 kilometer, right? And here the time taken is said to be 5 hours, right? Okay, these are the cases given. What we have to find out? We have to find the speed of the boat in still water. So still water is nothing but what is speed of the boat in still water, that is this u we have to find out. Okay, come on, let's start doing this problem. Here, as we know that speed is equal to distance divided by time, that you can have it in the case. Here what is our case 1? Yes, easy problem. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to put it like in terms of speed is equal to distance divided by time. This formula if I use, here comes 20 divided by, we don't know the speed, right? We don't know the speed, so that is equal to u plus 44 divided by v, and that is equal to, sorry, not v, it's downstream. This is the speed of the upstream, speed of the upstream and speed of the downstream, and that is equal to what is the time taken? 8 hours it is taken. Similarly on this side we have 15 divided by speed of the upstream and plus 22 divided by the speed of the downstream, that is equal to 5 hours. Now we have to calculate. So what we can do, we have to take LCM and all those things now. So I have made a small twist here. You can just note it down. Here on one side, I'll take a new page. Take a new page. So for case 1, what is there? 20 divided by the speed of the upstream plus 44 divided by speed of the downstream, that is equal to 8 hours. Here 1 by that speed of the upstream is there, no, that you can write it as x. Similarly 1 by s speed of the downstream, we can write it as y. If I write it means easily I can solve. So 20x plus 44y is equal to 8. Similarly in the case 2, what is there? In the case 2, what is there? You can replace this sus was x, 1 by x, and 1 by sus as x and 1 by s ds as y. If I replace, what will come here? Here it become 15x plus 22y is equal to 15. Now it's going to be a simple calculation. Do it. Simple algebraic calculation. We can easily able to solve. You understand how we got this formula? I repeat again. Here they have given two cases. The 20 km upstream, 44 km downstream, the distance has been travelled in 8 hours. Same time, another type of 15 km upstream and 24 km downstream has been covered in 5 hours. Then we have to find out the speed of the boat, that is u we have to find out. For that we can formulate using this speed is equal to distance divided by time. We know the distance and we know the time. What we don't know, we don't know the speed of that one. Clear? So in this first case, where I can calculate the distance travelled is what? Distance travelled is 20. Speed I don't know, but I know the time. Plus 44 km downstream divided by the speed of the downstream, that is equal to 8. If I add these things, right, I can get this individual speed of upstream and downstream. Yes, very good, very good. So in this way I have formulated for these two equations, and we have got 20x plus 44y is equal to 8 and 15x plus 22y is equal to 15. Then now what we can do, see here we can make it as a common one. Multiply this by 1 and multiply this by 2. Then what we will get, that is 20x plus 44y is equal to 8 and 30x plus 44y is equal to 30. What we can do, we can minus, right? Subtract. These two gets cancelled. 44y minus 44y gets cancelled. This becomes minus 10x. This becomes what? Sorry, this is 5. No? Sorry, this is 5. So then this is becomes 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. So here 8 minus 10, it is minus 2. Please be clear about the solving this step, because this minus minus gets cancelled. Okay, minus minus gets cancelled, and we have 10x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 10. So x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5 means what is this x? 1 by SUS is equal to x, right? So the speed of the upstream is equal to, the value of x will becomes what? 5. Am I clear? Very good, Movana. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Yes. Very good. Yes. I have changed. You got it? Yes. Yes. So x is nothing but what? X is nothing but 1 by SUS. That is 1 by speed of upstream is equal to 1 by 5. So speed of upstream SUS is equal to 5. Okay, right, that we have find out. Now what we are going to do, we have to substitute this value of this x in the formula, and we are going to find out the value of y. For that, no need to go anywhere. We have a formula called as speed of the boat in still water. What is the formula? Just now I wrote, right? Speed of the water in still water is what? 1 by 2 speed of the downstream plus speed of the upstream. When I substitute this value, x value, in any one of the equation, I can easily able to find out the value of y. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? Yes, what is the value of y? Waiting for your answers. We have found the value of u. What is the value of y? Is it easy solving? By practice, definitely it will come. Do it. Take this value, substitute in this one, and you can easily able to get it. Waiting for your answers. Yes, US we have found out, right? We have to find out the value of y, substitute this in the any one of the equation and find the value of y. You will get SDS, and you can tell me what is the answer. Waiting learners. Very good, very good. Yes, quick. What is the value of SDS? Very good, Radha ma'am. Very good, very good. What is the value of SDS? Simply we can substitute this value in any one of the equation, like 20x plus 44y is equal to 8. We have got x is equal to 1 by 5. So 20 divided by 5 plus 44y is equal to 8. This goes for 4 times. So 4 plus 44y is equal to 8. So when this goes over here, it becomes minus. So 44y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 by 44, that's equal to 1 by 11. So y is equal to 1 by 11 means then SDS is equal to 11. SDS is equal to 11. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, you can put any one of the equation, Radha ma'am. It is all up to your wish. Any one of the equation you can substitute. So now we have got the speed of the upstream and speed of the downstream. Here I have given a formula, right? You remember this formula? Speed of the, they asked for the speed of the boat in still water. What is the formula we can use? We can use this formula. Am I right? Speed of the boat in still water. So 1 by 2. What is the speed of the downstream? Speed of the downstream, it is 11. So speed of the downstream 11. What is the speed of the upstream? It is 5. Right? So 16 divided by 2, that is equal to 8 km per hour. Ma'am, I am in traveling and tower issues, ma'am. No issues, no issues. But please try to solve it step by step. Only these 5 formulas is enough for doing this problem. 5 formulas. Downstream formula, upstream formula. Still water, what is the speed of the boat, and speed of the stream that we have to identify. Very good, Radha ma'am. Very good. What about others? Come on, tell me. Go step by step, create these two cases and try to solve it. Why I have made this one is this is easy to solve. Very good, Nanda, very good. Yes, very good. Come on, let's go to the next similar type of a problem. Now you find out the speed of the current. There they have asked for the speed of the boat in still water. Here they have asked for the speed of the current. All these are recent time questions. Similar type of question. Come on, do it. I'm waiting for you. We'll do it together. Are you all doing? Are you all doing? Yes. Please let me know. Similar type of question. Come on. Yes or no? No one is responding me. All are doing problems. Here again the same case. They have given the distance of upstream is equal to 12 kilometer and distance of downstream is equal to 18 kilometer and the time taken is said to be 3 hours. Similar another case we have here, that is the distance covered by upstream is equal to 36 kilometer and the distance covered by downstream is equal to 24 kilometer and the time taken is equal to 6.5 hours. Now simple, what we have to do, we have to find out the speed of the stream. We have to find out the speed of the stream. That is what? 1 by 2 speed of the downstream minus speed of the upstream. This is what we have to find out. Yes, come on, let's start doing. Similar type of a question. Similar type. Easy one. Easy one. But the small thing that what we have to do here is, yes, doing. Very good. Do it. Similar type, but small variation is there. Yes. Yes, do it. I will teach you another method also to do this problem. Okay, shall we start doing? Yes, come on, start doing. So here we have the case one with upstream is 12 kilometer divided by speed of the upstream, right? Upstream. I'll give you another method now. You can also try to solve this one. What is the other method? Is using u plus v, u minus v. That also we can try to solve. What is upstream? Upstream is nothing but u minus v, right? Upstream is u minus v. This method also you can follow. That's why I am giving this. And plus 18 divided by u plus v. What is u plus v? Speed of the downstream. That is equal to 3 hours. And the either side of the case, we can have the similar thing, that is 36 divided by u minus v plus 24 divided by u plus v. U plus v, that is equal to 15 divided by 2, not 50, sorry, 13 divided by 2. Why 6.5 means 13 divided by 2. Here the same thing I am going to do. 1 plus 1 by u minus v will be taken as x and then 1 plus u plus v is be taken as y. So what will happen here? 12x plus 18y is equal to 3 and 36x plus 24y is equal to 13 divided by 2. Now what we have to do, simply we are going to make it equal. So this I multiply by 3, this I multiply by 1. So what will come here? Here it becomes 36x plus 54y is equal to 9 and here again 36x plus 24y is equal to 13 divided by 2. Simple, what we have to do, we have to subtract and then we can cancel this. This becomes 30y and this becomes 9 minus 13 by 2 is 5 divided by 2. Okay, 5 divided by 2. So now what happens? Y is equal to where we can calculate as, am I right? Yes. Right. 5, this 30 comes down, this becomes 6 times. So y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12. What is y? What is y? Y is equal to 1 plus uv. 1 plus uv is equal to 12. Yes, you got it. Very good. Speed of the current. SP is very good. Yes, you have done it. Right, very good. Similarly, I take a new page. 1 minute. So we have calculated. Oh. I'll take a new page. So we have calculated y is equal to 1 by 12. Y is equal to 1 divided by 12. Similarly, when I substitute 2 kilometers, I got here, ma'am. Super, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. So similarly, when I calculate the value of x, the x is equal to 1 divided by 8. Substitute the value in any one of the equation. You will get x is equal to 1 by 8 and y is equal to 1 by 12. That's all simple. Now what we can do, I'll tell you in another way, where u plus v is equal to, right? U plus v is equal to 12 and u minus v is equal to 8. That's all, right? Simply we can calculate 2u is equal to 4 and where u is equal to 20 where u is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. And then when you substitute this 10 in any one of the equation, what I will get? What I'll get, v is equal to 2. What is the question asked for? Asked the question for speed of the current. So the speed of the current is 2 km per hour. Am I clear? Speed of the current is 2 km per hour. Yes? Got it? Very good. SP, Radha, what about others? Come on, quick, waiting for the answer. Similar type of question. Yes or no? Yes. 2 km per hour. It's the speed of the stream. Yes, Nanda. Very good, very good, very good. Now we move to the next type of question. Easily you can able to do at this problem. The motor boat covers a distance of downstream in 5 hours but takes 6 hours to return to upstream to a starting point. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, then what is the speed of the motor boat in still water? Very easy problem. Question looks big, but it is very small. Simple. What they have given, first write it down. What they have given, write it down. We are going to complete boats and streams. But ma'am, the value of STS and DSS. Yes, also that also you can use, Radha ma'am. You can use, that's what I am saying. This is a different way. I told you, right? That is one method of doing. This is another method. I told you, right? We can also use that way also. You will get it. You will get it. Another method it is. Okay, I just want to explore you the another method. That's why I told you this one. You are right. You got it right. It's correct now. This is another way of doing. Okay, done. Good, great. Thank you, Radha ma'am. So the boat covers a certain distance of downstream in 5 km but takes 6 kilometers to return to upstream to the starting point. So it takes down from up to down along with the stream, it is 5 hours. Against the stream, it takes 6 hours to reach the starting point again. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, stream means that the water flow, right? That is 4 km per hour means, then what is the speed of the boat in still water? What about others? Okay, come on, let's start doing. What are all the points given here? Here you can write this is speed formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. One formula we have to write. Okay, right. And what they have, we have asked for the speed of the motor boat. We have to find. Here what is given? Let us have x be the speed of the motor. Let be the x be the speed of motor boat in still water. This we are going to find out in still water. Okay, right. What is the formula here? Where distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. What is the speed? We don't know. Let it be x. What is the time taken? Time taken is for upstream it is 5 hours. I'm sorry, downstream it is taken 5 hours, right? Okay, and that is equal. Yes, and here on the either side what we have, x minus 4. Why we have a x minus 4? That is the speed of the stream here, right? Sorry, 1 minute. We have the speed of stream is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. So how to calculate? I will just delete this formula. This formula you can utilize to do it. Do this one. Now we can do, right, x plus 4. X plus 4. What is x plus 4? Speed of the downstream. X plus 4 is the speed of the downstream. What is the time taken? 5 hours. That is equal to. What is the speed of the upstream? It is x minus 4. What is the time taken? 6 hours. That's all. When I solve, I can able to find out the value of this x. Clear? Yes, do it. This is nothing but the speed taken into the time. That gives me the distance, because the distance taken by both the same. I have started from this point. I reached here at the time of 5 hours. Again I have started from this. Against the stream I am going at 6 hours. See what is same over here. The distance remains the same. Distance does not change. Distance is said to be the same. So downstream, and here it is upstream. Here what they have given, the stream of the speed of the stream they have given. What we have found, the speed of the boat we have to find out. Is it clear? They have given the speed of the stream. The water body's speed is what? It is 4 km per hour. What we have to find out? The speed of the boat. The boat is only moving from this point to this point and this point to this point. We have to calculate the speed of the boat. That we have to calculate this u. Very good. Super. Very good. Very good. Our traditional way of identification also we can use, like speed of the motor boat we use. In still water we used to have what? This is u, right? This we used to have as u. We don't know. And the speed of the stream, that we have it as v. That easy identification. That's why. Yes, u. Very good. Very good. Do it. Do it. So simple calculation. 5u plus 20 is equal to 6u minus 24. When I just recalculate it, 6u minus 5u. 6u minus 5u, that is equal to, this comes here and this becomes 20 plus 24. That's all. So u is equal to 44. So what does it mean here? 44 km per hour is being taken to return back to this place. You understand? Yes. At a speed of 44 km per hour. That's the speed of the motor boat. The motor boat has to go in a speed of 40 km per hour along with the stream speed. Very good. Super. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right. Again an easy question. This is of 3 lines only, this problem. Read the question. The speed of the boat in still water is 5 km per hour. The speed of the stream is 1 km per hour. That is what? The u value is given as 5 km per hour and stream is being given as 1 km per hour. The man rose to a place at a distance of 24 km. So what is the distance he has been travelled? It is 24 km and comes back to the starting point. Find the total time taken. That's all. Find the total time taken. They have given what? They have given the speed of the boat in still water, speed of the boat in the stream they have given, distance covered they have given. We have to find out the time now. For that, calculate speed of the downstream, speed of the upstream. So this is nothing but u plus v, this is nothing but u minus v, and simply when we add, right, we will easily get it. Yes. So what is the speed of the downstream? That is 5 plus 1, that is 6. And what is the speed of the downstream? 5 minus 1, it is 4. So this is the speed of the stream. What do they have asked here? The total time taken. How to find out the total time taken? Quick. Quick. Waiting for your answers. Time formula is what? Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Then time is equal to distance divided by speed. So what is the distance covered here? This is 24 km. And then what is the speed of the downstream? That is 6. Similarly, For upstream, again I have to go from bottom to up, right? For the distance covered is 24 kilometer. What is the speed? It is 4 kilometer. So this goes for 4 times, this goes for 6 times, is equal to 10. Got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Please quickly. Please let me know. Yes, learners, waiting for your response. You got the answer? As 10 hours been taken, the total time taken, 10 hours. You got it? Priyam has got, very good. Priyam has got, what about others? Nanda has got, Radha has got, Tamlarsi ma'am has got, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Mona has got, very good. Simple, right? Simple, right? They have given. So what things you have to keep in mind is the speed of the boat in still water. That you can have it as U. Speed of the stream, the water body. That can be as U. And the man rows at a distance of D. What distance he travels from this point to this point. That is the downstream, right? Along the flow of the water. So he has to cover 24 kilometer. Okay. And for a speed he need. And then again from this point to this point he have to take the same distance he have to travel. For that, what is the speed? Clear? Yes. Very good, Ishwari. Right, okay. And this is going to be your homework question. Try to do this homework question similar type, but different variant will be there. Read the question carefully. Take your time. You can use the previous references to solve this problem. Definitely you can able to give the answer. If you have doubt, please again redo this video. At the first attempt, if you are not able to understand, watch too many times so that to make you understand the problem. Okay, only those that 5 formulas, it is enough for you to make you understand. See these formulas: speed of the downstream, speed of the upstream, speed of the boat in the still water, speed of the stream. These 4 one and general formula. With these formulas, definitely you can able to solve these boats and streams problem in the examination. Am I clear? Okay, try to give the answer for this question in the comment section. And tomorrow also we are going to do more maths problem here in Unified Study. In our Unified Study app, we are doing continuous quick revision classes along with the mock test. So those who wish to join, you can also join through Unified Study website, and you can watch the regular classes daily at 7 to 8:15 p.m. Okay. So thank you so much, learners. Meet you tomorrow. Tata, bye bye. Please do share with your friends. Definitely these 2 classes on boats and streams will be most helpful for you to solve this problem. Okay. So please do watch these boats and streams problems, part 1 and part 2. Bye.